Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of My Mom Thinks She Can Cook. And now she's going to be making some walnut cookies.
Hi everybody.
So
I'm trying to duplicate my mother-in-law's walnut cookies. She has dementia, so she can't tell me the recipe, but I've seen her do it like 100 times. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to melt this butter. Melting the butter. Okay. Plate over it so it doesn't splatter.
Okay. To the melting chamber.
Why don't you pause it until I get the next step situated?
One butter. The butter didn't melt, so we gotta melt it some more for another 40 seconds. 2, 1. Okay. Now the butter should be melted. Okay. The butter is melted. We gotta let it set. That looks good. Yep. Okay, she's grabbing the walnuts.
Mix them in the blender.
Put it in the blender.
Or food processor, whatever you have. I don't really know how much, so I'm kind of eyeballing it. Okay.
Okay, we got that.
Okay.
We got the
How
walnuts.
fine it is. Look at how fine.
Ooh,
Like
nice.
All right.
Looks like granola.
Alrighty. So we got those done. Now I'm gonna I don't know how much flour and sugar she puts, but I'm gonna go with 3 cups of flour.
3 cups of flour. Okay. These are 3 cups of flour. Pour it in the bowl. Is that more flour?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
This is about 3 cups.
Okay, so
Okay.
put in about 3 cups. Make sure your bowl looks like that. Nice and satisfying.
Putting like a dash of salt.
Dash of salt.
I think that's good.
Okay.
Alright. And then baking powder.
Baking powder. Okay. You need to get your Argol baking powder, double acting, or just any baking powder.
A tablespoon of that.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, so you gotta scoop some in with your nice favorite orange tablespoon.
Right, and I'm gonna grab my sugar right now.
Now we got the sugar.
Let me put, I don't like them too sweet. I'm gonna put about 3/4 of a cup of sugar.
Okay. And don't you put that sauce on them too?
What sauce?
I don't know what it is. You know how it's like brown on the top?
Oh, that's an egg wash.
Okay, yeah. So you're also gonna put some
Right.
egg.
Let me grab my mixer.
Okay. And then we're gonna mix this. Okay, so we're using those mixers to mix up our thing. Yeah. 1 second, let me go check on the butter. Looks like the butter's still setting, I don't know.
Kind of mixing those dry ingredients together.
Yeah, we're mixing them.
Walnut cookies. Okay, so we got that.
Okay.
So I know she puts yogurt, but I don't know how much.
Yogurt.
She does.
Yogurt.
Okay, so we're
Whole
gonna
milk
just kind of like
yogurt.
eyeball some yogurt in there of how much I think she would put.
Mama, can I have 2?
And I think that might be her secret ingredient. Okay. Some vanilla.
Vanilla.
Okay.
It smells good.
I know.
Smells like vanilla ice cream.
Couple of eggs.
Couple of eggs, okay.
Yes.
Okay, we got
eggs.
2 eggs over here.
Let me try it with 2 eggs, and if I feel like it's like not coming together, I'll add another egg. Okay.
Okay. You checking on the butter now?
Grabbing the butter, unsalted butter.
Okay.
That's going
Some
in.
nice melted unsalted
It's all
butter.
melted, so make sure it's melted because I know she always put melted in there. And I think those are my my wet ingredients. So we're gonna mix it.
That looks so kind of satisfying.
Okay, I think it needs a little bit more flour because hers was a little bit more
Fluffy, dense.
a little bit drier than this. So I'm going to just kind of add just a little bit until I get that right consistency. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm thinking that this is about right. Actually, let me just go and put just a little bit more flour.
A little bit more.
Because it looks a little too wet.
Okay, we got our flour. Whoa.
All right, that's my trick to get most of the dough off. All right.
Okay, so
I think
to
this
get
is
most
good.
of the dough off, you just speed it up really fast.
Okay. So I think that looks pretty good. Hold on. We're doing something really in a second, okay, Malik?
Okay, so we got our dough, or whatever it's called.
That looks...
Okay, so what's next?
Let's see how this is. I think maybe I need to go actually add more flour. It looks
More?
too soft. I don't know, it looks too soft to me.
Okay, so
Going
tip:
back, adding more
add
flour.
a lot of
I think
flour.
by this point I've added 4 cups of flour.
Okay, add 4 cups of flour. 4 cups. Okay, so we're gonna mix it up some more. Okay, is that nice?
Looks okay, I guess.
More flour?
I don't know. I feel like hers was drier.
Then add more flour. Add a whole bag of flour.
A whole bag of flour?
Maybe. You guys need to make it really dry then. Or just add lots of flour.
Okay, there goes my mixer. All right.
Broke?
No, it's not broken.
Okay, so is that bad? Like
Yeah.
that?
Yeah, so like she does refrigerate it for like a couple hours. So it will be more hard to work with once we refrigerate it.
Okay. Are we gonna refrigerate it right now?
After we put the walnuts in.
Okay. Okay,
Now
so
I'm
now
putting
we
the
added
walnuts.
some walnuts, some nice blended walnuts. Okay, fold in the walnuts.
I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit more. I think what I added was about maybe a half a cup of walnuts that are grounded.
Okay, so just add the walnuts. She's mixing it up.
All right, I'm gonna have to get in here with my hands because it's hard to
It's
mix
hard
with a
to
spoon.
mix. Okay. So use your hands at that point. Knead the dough.
It smells like hers. Mmm, yummy.
Can I smell? Oh, that smells
Smells good,
really
right?
good.
This is definitely not the amount that she used to make. She used to fill it up, like to there. But this is just kind of, I'm just trying to see if I could duplicate it without a recipe. All right,
Okay.
so that's it for this step. when I start baking it, come back to you.
Okay.
All right, pause that.
Okay, so the dough has been set.
It's been refrigerated for about 2
Whoa,
to
that
3
looks,
hours.
That kind of looks like
So
pizza.
now we're gonna roll them into balls like this, and just kind of like pat them down just a little bit, but not too much, because they're not supposed to flatten out when you bake them. So hopefully they don't, but she does them about like that, about that size.
Okay.
And
See that? Really nice.
You could pause it until we get to it all filled up, and then we'll do the next step. Okay.
Okay.
Which is the honey and the egg.
I can make. Okay.
You're the cutest
Okay,
one?
we done?
That's our mom.
Okay, we are done with the dough. Let's see, it looks really nice.
Woody, put your shoes on, Matt. Put your shoes on. We gotta
Now we're gonna go to the next step, which
Okay,
is
we got some honey over
which is
here.
an egg and some honey. So you're gonna need just the egg yolk. So let's see, how do I do that?
Oh, there's it.
I do this.
Okay, so
Okay,
we're
so I
making.
separated them,
Yeah, now we just got
Kind
the
of.
egg yolk
sort of separated them.
because she
Okay.
didn't do that straw like that.
Yeah. Okay.
And we have some honey too. I don't know. Maybe we'll make. So what do we do with the honey?
You put the honey in the egg like this.
Okay.
You scramble the egg. Scramble the egg.
Okay.
And
Bye,
you
everyone.
add some honey. Bye.
Malik, what am I telling you? I told you to put your shoes on.
Ooh, okay. Really nice.
Probably like, I would say a teaspoon worth
So
of
just
honey.
add honey, whatever honey you'd like, or does it?
It
have
doesn't
to
matter.
be- Yeah, so you
Whatever
could
you
add
have.
whatever you like.
So there's
Okay,
your egg
so
and
there,
honey
yep,
mixture.
there's the egg and honey,
Yellow.
and then we're gonna pour it on here, right?
No, we're not going to pour it on there. We're going to kind of brush it on there.
Yeah, we're gonna brush it on
All
there.
right, so you could use your fingers if you don't have a brush. Let me see if I have a brush.
Do you have a... Let's play some Where's Waldo? Where's Waldo? But the Waldo's a brush. Okay. So you want to wash your brush, okay?
Just to get it flexible.
Yeah, to get it like nice and flexible.
All right, and then you just brush the egg
Mm-hmm.
and honey mixture to the top of the cookie.
Yeah, you gotta be a good artist for this part. You have to use your brush precisely. Okay, see? Okay.
Now I'm gonna bake them for like, I don't really.
Okay, is that it for now?
That's it for now.